Students, coming to the third session of the chapter heterocyclic compounds, you will learn about the method of preparation of pyridine from acetylene and nicotinic acid. Then the action of sodamide on pyridine and also comparison of bases of pyrrole, pyridine and piperidine. So we will learn about how to prepare pyridine from acetylene and nicotinic acid and what will happen when sodamide is acted on pyridine and how can we compare the bases of pyrrole, pyridine and piperidine. First of all, coming to the preparation of pyridine from acetylene, acetylene and hydrogen cyanide, when passed through red hot tube, we get pyridine. Acetylene is this one, acetylene, when treated with HCN, hydrogen cyanide, and the mixture when passed through red hot tube, we get pyridine. In a similar way, we can prepare, we have already seen in the previous sessions, we can prepare pyrrole as well as furan and thiophene, all these things by combining acetylene and the corresponding nitrogen or sulfur or oxygen containing compounds and passing the mixture through red hot tube. So here when acetylene is mixed with hydrogen cyanide and the mixture when passed through red hot tube, we get pyridine, the 6-membered heterocyclic compound. Now, pyridine can also be prepared from nicotinic acid. It is pyridine 2 carboxylic acid. It is pyridine 3 carboxylic acid. Pyridine will be N. This position will be the first position. This is the second position and this is the third position. So pyridine 3 carboxylic acid is termed as nicotinic acid. Nicotinic acid on decarboxylation. Usually decarboxylation agent will be soda lime. It will be soda lime. Then using that soda lime, decarboxylation, removal of carbon dioxide molecule will take place and we get pyridine molecule. So nicotinic acid on treatment with soda lime, on decarboxylation, again pyridine can be synthesized. So two methods for the preparation of pyridine. One is from acetylene and other one from nicotinic acid. Then Chichi-Babin reaction. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction of pyridine that is termed as Chichi-Babin reaction. So when a nucleophile, I have already told you nucleophile in the sense electron-rich species, we represent nucleophile with a minus charge. Nu minus is the general formula for a nucleophile. When the compound pyridine is undergoing nucleophilic substitution reaction, then the incoming nucleophile take the position, second position. It will be attaching at the second position of the pyridine. Whereas if these 6-membered heterocyclic compounds are subjecting to electrophilic substitution reaction, the incoming electrophile occupy the third position. Whereas in 5-membered ring, it will occupy the second position. So this is an example. Chichi-Babin reaction is an example for a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here the nucleophile is NH2 minus. The reagent is sodamide, NaNH2. This is an ionic compound where Na will be having a positive charge and NH2 will be having a negative charge. So this part NH2 minus is acting as the nucleophile. When this NaNH2 sodamide is combining with pyridine, the NH2 minus, the nucleophile, take the position, second position of pyridine and we get 2-aminopyridine. Pyridine reacts with sodamide which then undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction forming 2-aminopyridine is termed as Chichi-Babin reaction. Along with this, we'll get hydrogen molecule also. Then how can we compare the basicity of pyrrole, pyridine and piperidine? To know this, we should know what causes basicity. Basicity is due to the presence of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. These 3 compounds contain nitrogen atom and in all the 3 compounds, there will be lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. So in this compound, how can we compare the basicity? So the basicity depends on, when we compare the basicity of 2 molecules, we can compare whichever compound is having more tendency to donate the lone pair of electron. Which compound, which nitrogen atom is having more tendency to donate its lone pair of electron, that compound, that molecule will be more basic. Now we will compare. First we will take pyrrole and pyridine. In pyrrole, when we discussed about the orbital structure and resonance structure and aromaticity of pyrrole, we had seen that this pyrrole, this 2 double bond 4 pi electron along with the lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom will be forming the delocalization cloud. So all together, including the lone pair of electron on nitrogen, it has 6 pi electron. So the lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom will not be in a position to donate to an electrophile, an electron deficient compound. So basicity will be naturally less for pyrrole because it does not have a free lone pair of electron. Whatever lone pair it has been included in the delocalization. Coming to pyridine. How about pyridine? Pyridine already is having 3 double bond it has, and from nitrogen atom we know only 1 electron which is there in an unhybridized p orbital, only that is contributing for resonance. So the lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom is entirely free and which can be donated to an electron deficient compound. So when we compare the basicity of pyrrole and pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Now coming to pi-pyridine, how can we compare the basicity of pi-pyridine and pyridine? Pi-pyridine is aromatic? No, it is not aromatic. How about the hybridization of nitrogen in pi-pyridine? In pi-pyridine, the hybridization is sp3 because it is a saturated molecule, whereas in pyridine it is sp2. Now, how a hybridization and basicity is related? Hybridization and basicity is related in such a way that more the character of S character, basicity will be less. Higher the character of S character, sp2, sp3, S character, the more the extent to which the electrons are attached to the nucleus will be more. When the S character increases, the electrons of an atom will be very firmly attached to the nucleus of the atom. So when there is more S character in a molecule, then donation of electron will be difficult. So we'll see in compared to pyridine and pi-pyridine, which nitrogen atom is having more S character. Already I have told you in pi-pyridine, nitrogen is in sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means S character will be 25%. Whereas in pyridine it is sp2 character, so the S character will be 33.33%. So which is having more S character? The nitrogen atom of pyridine is having more S character. Higher the S character, lower the tendency of nitrogen atom to donate its shared pair, this lone pair of electron, and lower the basicity. So in pi-pyridine, because the S character is less, it will be having more tendency to donate its lone pair of electron. So when we compare pyridine and pi-pyridine will be more basic than pyridine. So we can tell the order among the 3 compounds. The most basic compound will be pi-pyridine, then pyridine, and then pyrrole. The same thing is written in words here. Basicity is compared on the basis of how easily and effectively the base can share its lone pair. As in pyrrole, the lone pair of nitrogen is already involved in the cyclic conjugation and is completely delocalized over 6 atoms. The lone pair is unavailable for donation. It is not available for donation. In pyridine, nitrogen has already contributed a pi electron, 1 pi electron, and so its lone pair is completely free for donation. So, electron pair availability indicates the strength of basicity. In this case, pyridine is the stronger base. In pipyridine, there is no aromaticity and nitrogen atom is in sp3 hybridization, whereas in pyrrole and pyridine, it is sp2 hybridization. Lower the character, lower the S character, electrons are more loosely attached with the nucleus of the atom and it is readily available for donation. Hence, the decreasing order of the bases are in the order pipyridine greater than pyridine, then pyrrole, and then it will be thiophene. If we are comparing with thiophene, it will be having the least tendency, thiophene. Then, students, in this session you would have learned about the method of preparation of pyridine, one from acetylene and other from nicotinic acid. Then electrophilic, nucleophilic substitution reaction. I have told you, electrophile enters at the third position and nucleophile enters at the second position. Then how can we explain and how can we compare the basicity of pyrrole, pyridine and pipyridine?